Now, without showing my age, okay, I remember when I was a kid growing up, you know, you had a little blind, you'd pull on the blind and it kind of go up.
Yeah.
I've seen a couple of those in the Bugs Bunny cartoons
Yeah.
But anyway, Pulltarps is a manually actuated tarping system that's quite unique. You pull the tarp out and it's pre-tensioned.
Okay.
So when the tarp goes back, it automatically rolls up. The nice thing about Pulltarps is that the entire system comes fully assembled for a quick installation by the end user after they buy the truck, or a Ford authorized bailment or distributor, okay? They can install it in a matter of minutes. It's very, very easy. It comes with a lot of different tarping system covers. Some of them are vinyl mesh. We have asphalt compatible versions.
Oh, wow.
Okay? So when you're dealing with high temperature, which we all know that asphalt flows at greater than 300 degrees in most cases, it's a very, very good solution.
Well, that's great.
And it's for the most part mandated. Tarping systems are mandated in all states, including municipalities and boroughs. People got to have tarps. So it makes a big difference.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, Joe, the last stop here is a tarping system that has a drop-down curtain. You could actually bring this system down. There's a tool that comes with the tarp itself, drops it down. So if you have a high-profile load in the load space of the dump body, you can actually still curtain that off and keep the debris inside the cargo bed instead of flying out.
And then the cable can be looped into these to keep it.
All they do is they just lasso around the cleat hooks, tie it off in the back, and when it's done, they can restore the curtains where it needs to be.
That is so thorough. That's good.